This is my fire alarm and elevator parts tour. Here, first the elevator parts, we have the Innovation Universal Koni KSS 500 PI. It's kind of up against the wall. Right there. Here we have a First Alert smoke detector, residential fire alarm. Wheelock RSS, white one. Here we have an Apple on a simplex light plate. I mean, it's not light, strobe plate, sorry. Because it's a strobe. And I'll show you one more alarm here. Turn on a little flashlight on this walkie-talkie that I can use. That one's dead, I think. This charger does not want to behave good on me. Give us a flashlight at least. Okay, so in here, in the sensory room, if you can see it or not, we got a Wheelock 31T in there. Can't really see it. And she works. And I just made my own remote light right there. Works just like that, and it's loud. That's it.